So here I'm going to show a brief demo on the Tornado server. That is the second approach which I have explained in the report. So just for the reference, here is the program. We have the class web page, which is a user customized class, which inherits the request handler class of the Tornado module. So in this class we fetched an argument that which is nothing but the query, the URL which the client wants to access, and here using this we get the HTML version of that page and we write it using this method on the browser. So as explained already in the report, this is where I configure the server to listen to the port 8000, and then I run this start, which creates instances of each and every client which tries to access any web page. So now I'm going to run this server. So here it is, python proxy.py or tornado server.py, whatever the name you give. And once I run this program, we get a message, because I'm printing it, the initiating the web service at this particular port 8000. So now we have another system which is connected on the same LAN. So here I give the link which is similar to this structure, that is http localhost 8000 web page and blah, blah, so and so. So here we give http in the same pattern, http. So instead of localhost, we need to give the IP address of the server in which the server is running. So I get my IP address, say I will go to a new tab, I'll get my IP address using ifconfig. So the IP address is let me decrease this font space because I'm not able to view the IP address. So here we have the IP address here, that is 10.224.40.202. so we have the server running here. So I'm going to copy the IP address. Here in this system it is 10.224.40.202, and since we have configured the server program to run at the port 8000, so we have to do the same for the browser. So 8000, and then we have the link, the user customized class web page as explained in the report, and then we have to give the link in the query field, whatever link the user wants to access. So that, suppose say the user wants to access the rediffmail.com, so you give https www.rediffmail.com and you just click on enter. So what it does, yes, here is the web page and it is the HTML version of the web page. What it does is, if you see, as soon as the client has clicked on the particular web page, you see that the server prints the particular thing here, http is www.rediffmail.com. So this server, it fetches the particular HTML version of the page from its own internet access, and it writes the entire HTML content in the client's browser. So this is how, as you see the link here, it access, this is a query field with this particular thing, and we have the web page. So now In the same fashion, if you want some other web page to be accessed, you can give, say, google.com. So this is how, as you see that, I mean, the web page is properly accessed, but the thing is we are missing a few images here. That is, here we get it, like that particular css content is not properly uh, what I can say, passed. So that is why you are getting this, but the overall functionality works fine. So that's it. This is the sample demo for the Tornado application, which is the second approach in my report. That's it. Thank you.